This case study is an example where IAG worked with a household name Fortune 500 manufacturer and retailer. The issue was the client has an extensive network of dealers across North America, and the invoice and payment system was not easy to use. And one of the mandates for the client was to be easy to do business with. So to meet that goal, they decided to create an RFP to replace the current invoice and payment system. Working with IAG, we came up with a two-step process to allow them to very quickly get to that RFP process. It was a total of 3 weeks on site to detail the requirements over 2 phases. Phase 1 was to do high-level requirements that would be used for an RFI that would allow them to identify a potential pool of vendors. Phase 2 is when we would do more detailed requirements that would be used to create an RFP. And remember, this is a 3-week process. How we did this was using IAG's requirements discovery process to elicit requirements from their subject matter experts in a rapid and accurate manner. What we did was we went through at the high level, phase 1, the objectives, the mission, the vision, and scope, the assumptions, constraints, dependencies, and risks, and the context. So we understood what was in scope and what wasn't in scope, and it also gave the client that view at the high level, what they were trying to do to allow them to build consensus internally, as well as create their RFI. The second phase is the more detailed phase, where we went through the kind of detailed steps of the process that they wanted to follow and the functionality that the dealers needed that would help them meet their client satisfaction goal of being easy to deal with. So within a 3-week period, the client successfully issued an RFP and is now in the process of implementing a solution.